Hello hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your guest Mamesagri channel, a feeder o Zumatardor. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of June 19 hanggang June 24 for the sign of Aquarius. Aquarius, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating makakagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang skip ng ads away, pagpalahain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Aquarius. So let's see and watch this. Angel spirit guide, please give me information paano kayo sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha. So, there's a Ten of Swords, sabotage. Now, some of you guys, meron talaga sumabotahi sa'yo. No, meron talaga nag-betray sa'yo, meron talaga trumaydor sa'yo. No? Additional messages. My goodness. Now, there's sabotage. And of course, there's something, the King of Cups. No, you are also devoted for the person. Or either your person is very devoted and support the person. There's a Eight of Swords. No, there's a lot of toxic and negativities around you. No? Ibig sabihin dito, napapalibutan ka talaga ng toxic and negative. No, there's a toxic family, toxic environment, and there's a Seven of Cups. No? Talagang ginulo nito ang sitwasyon at buhay mo. No? And of course, there's a Five of Cups. No, disappointment. No, parang nanghinayang ka, nagsisi ka sa huli. No, may mga bagay pagsisisi dito, there's a temperance with a perfect timing. So, lahat ng bagay na to ay ayon sa kaloob ng Diyos. Kumaga lahat ng mga bagay na to ay nasa takdang panahon. No, what is the Ten of Swords? Reference with a judgment. Pinapaalalahanan kayo nito, pay attention. No, binibigyan ka ng babala at paalala na tinatraidor o tinraidor ka ng taong pinagkatiwalaan mo. What is the King of Cups? Represent with the Ten of Wands. So, there's something burden. Na marami kang mga obligation or responsibilidad na maaaring pasan-pasan. What is the Eight of Swords? Represent with a Magician. So, there's something guys with a Magician for manifestation. No, kaya hindi mo rin makuha-kuha yung mga bagay na gusto mo dahil may humakadlang at may mga taong tumututol. No, at may mga taong negatibo sa paligid mo. See, there's a Three of Pentacles. No, there's something collaboration. Ibig sabihin dito, pinagkaisahan ka at pinagtulungan ka. No, naguluhin ang sitwasyon mo, nalituhin ka. No? And there's a Hierophant. No, there's something religious factor. Ibig sabihin dito, no, there's a something spiritual enlightenment or something spiritual journey na kaya nanghihinayin at nagsisisi ka sa lahat ng nangyari dahil sa nangyari sa'yo dito. No, there's something guys with a legal matter. No, or either meron ka talaga ditong parang religious there's a religious factor. No? So let's see, what is the Six of Cups? Oh my goodness. No, there's just something, a past person coming back. Or either, kumbaga meron ditong about sa family related or friend of yours, no? Basta maging kalmado ka raw muna for a meantime. What is the Ten of Swords? Is the Judgment. There's a strength with a confident, lakas ang loob mo, lakas ang pakiramdam mo. No? Maging mabusisi ka. And there's a King of Pentacles, na maging practical at secure ka sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. Even your finances, na matuto kang pangalagaan ito. And there's a the Sun card with a pure positive outcome. No? Maliliwanagan ka kung sino yung mga toxic and negative sa paligid mo. What is the Seven of Cups? Because the Three of Pentacles represent with the King of Wands, something a vision. Oh my God. No, unti-unti mo na nakikilala. Or either, kumbaga nagkaroon ka na ng instinct, intuition, and visions, no? Kumbaga nakilala mo na at makita mo na talaga, no, kung sino yung mga tao na to ng gulo sa'yo. And there's a Seven of Pentacles with a harvest moment. No, ano man yung mga bagay na ginawa nila, pagbabayaran nila. Ano man yung mga bagay na ginawa mo, pagbabayaran mo. Or there's a harvest moment, no, aani ka na lang lahat ng mga pinaghirapan mo. And there's a Four of Pentacles for receiving money, protection at pangalaga mo yung grounds mo dito. No, kaya ka bumabalik or kaya ka babalik sa sitwasyon or either may babalik dito from the past, no? Para protection na ng yung mga pinaghirapan. Or maaaring maibalik mo yung power mo, no? Magkakaroon ka ulit ng masaganang buhay. And there's a Two of Pentacles with a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance physically, mentally, emotionally. And there's a the King, may you're feeling stuck, no? Kumbaga, lutang ka, hindi ka makakilos, hindi ka makagalaw, or kumbaga, feeling mo na abandon na ka, naiwanan ka sa ere, or either hindi ka pa makakilos, hindi ka pa makagalaw. What is additional messages? Represent with the Ten of Cups something happiness, no? Magiging masaya at magiging maligaya ka rin dito. And there's a Queen of Wands by confident, no? Lakas naman, pakiramdam mo, lakas naman loob mo dito. There's a Two of Swords. Nagkakaroon daw dito ng takot at pangamba, no? Kaya sinasabi kailangan i-boost yung confident. And there's a Two of Swords na kailangan mo magdesisyon, no? Kailangan mo na mag-take ng action. There's a High Priestess, no? May hidden agenda talaga, no? Meron talagang eksena dito sa likod dito kung bakit nangyari lahat ng kaguluhan na to. So let's see what is additional messages pagdating sa finances and career, love life at kalusugan. So let's watch this. Okay, pagdating tayo sa finances and career, so represent with the Star card, healing and recovery, na makaka-recover ka na raw, makakaraos ka, makakabangon ka na. And there's a Seven of Wands, no? Protection at pangalaga mo yung drugs mo, or you are also protected, no? Pinoprotection at pinapangalagaan mo ko naman yung mga bagay na meron ka, no? There's a Five of Pentacles. So some of you nagkakaroon ka talaga, nakakaranas ka talaga ng financial difficulties, no? But definitely makakaraos ka din daw dyan. And there's a Ace of Swords, no? Mental clarity, maliliwanagan ka na ano yung kailangan mong gawin, iwasan, no? Yung nagbibigay komplikasyon, but definitely matatapos na raw. Ibig sabihin dito, maiwasan mo na yung bagay na nagkukos ng complication dito sa sitwasyon mo, lalo pag-usapin sa pera. And there's a Queen of Pentacles, magiging mature ka na ngayon, no? Sa pag-manage at pag-control ng iyong pinaghirapan. Pagdating sa love life, there's the Two of Cups, may partnership. Now, there's an unconditional love. And there's another kasi there is a wish fulfillment. Na matutupad na yung pangarap mo, kaligayahan, mag-uumapaw. And there's a Queen of Cups na magkakaroon ka emotional healing dito. Na magiging kalmado ng pakiramdam mo. At magkakaroon ka ng security sa kung ano man yung bagay na meron ka. At there's a Justice card. May hustisya. May legal matter dito. May usapan about dito sa marriage. And there's a Knight of Wands, no? Konting tiyaga lang, no? Tiyaga ka pa. Let's see. Pagdating naman tayo sa kalusugan mo, there's a Death card. Oh my goodness. Now, there's something a Death card na maaring may matapos na, no? Mayroon dito magwakas, no? Magiging maayos ang kalusugan mo, maaring gumanda na at magbago ng pakiramdam mo. And kasama po yun naman, meron naman ditong namatay yung person, no? With the Death card because the Four of Swords, no? Kumbaga meron dito pupasok pa sa panaginip mo, no? Talagang pupasok talaga siya, no? And there's the Fool card, no? There's a leap of faith, no? Kailangan ng manampalataya at magdasal, no? At the same time, no? There's something of passion, pag-ibig at pagmamahal. And there's a Knight of Swords, no? Tatakbo na rin, bibilis na rin takbo ng sitwasyon, makaka-recover ka na rin dito, no? Ibig sabihin dito, magiging maayos na raw ang kalusugan mo. One more card, please. To clarify. There's an Eight of Pentacles. So, mag-focus ka sa mga kinakain mo, no? Umiwas ka sa mga bagay na nakakasama sa'yo. Sama-sama po yung baka yung person mo na nanaginip ka, no? Mayroong ditong namatay na partner mo, yung person mo, asawa mo, na maaaring nagpaparamdam sa'yo, nagpapakita sa'yo sa panaginip mo. So, let's see. Hagilapin natin at alamin natin pagdating sa Magical Fire Messages. Advice is a request sa pick a card, yes or no. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, ang pick a card, yes or no, pwede ka magtanong. Isa lang magiging sagot dyan within 1, 2, or 3. No? Comment down below kung ano number na napili mo para malaman ko kung umabot ka sa reading na to. So, let's see and watch this. Let's see what is the Magical Fire Messages represent what. Let's see. There's an autumn with a harvest moment. Nakaani ka na. No, na lahat ng mga pinaghirapan mo. No, there's an autumn. There's a new home. Magkakaroon ka din bagong tahanan. Na bagong bahay. And of course, the spring with the blossoming. May paglago talaga at paglakas ng finances mo. What is the yin and yang oracle card represent what? For yin and yang oracle card, represent with a regret, na meron ka talaga panghihinayang at pagsisisi dito. No? Nagsisisi ka, nanghihinayang ka, and there's a masculine. Your person is very masculine, or you are also being masculine. And of course, there's a stability and flow. Dadaloy na ang magandang eksena sa iyo, kapalaran. With the romance, with the Mystic Love Oracle deck, with the synchronicities, there's a sister. Meron talagang kinalaman ng sister dito. No, there's a sister and in tune na pagdating sa relasyon. No, there's a bravery. Kailangan mo maging malakas, matapang. Now, let's see what is the romance angel for Mystic Love Oracle deck. And there's an intimacy. No, meron talaga about sa relationship, and there's a bonding with a world growth. No, meron ditong turn from 30, magkakaroon ng changes and development sa buhay mo. And there's I'm sorry. Meron talagang hihingi ng tawad dito sa iyo, no? Sa mga nangyayari. So, let's see what is additional messages tayo. With an angel spirit, pagdating naman tayo with an angel's number. For an angel's number, represent, there's a 1990 with a cycle. Karma will be paying you a visit. Release the need to control because you can not void things. Learn your lesson that don't need to repeat it again in the near future, no? You make some space for new experiences. Ibig sabihin dito, matuto tayo sa mga leksyon na nangyari sa atin para hindi na maulit muli. No, para hindi na mangyari yung mga ganong senaryo at magkaroon ng mga bago experiences and development sa buhay natin. No? Mag-ingat kayo dito dahil there's a karma. No, talagang bibisitahin kayo ng karma. So, let's see what is the Money Move Oracle deck. What is the Money Move Oracle deck? And there's an ending. Talagang tinapos. No, some of you guys, meron talaga namatay na person dito, ha? It's time to say goodbye. No, tapos na. And let's see what lies beneath with the future. What lies beneath with the future? There is a divorce. Breaking contract. No, meron talaga ditong tinapos na. No, meron ditong hiwalay na. So, let's see what is shadow work represent what. From the shadow work represent what? Represent with the unknown. Surrender, curiosity, and faith. No, may mga bagay na hindi pa natin alam, may mga bagay na unti-unti na natin malalaman, no, kailangan tuklasin natin ito, no, na gusto natin yung ginagawa natin, no, magtiwala ka sa ginagawa mo, of course, magtiwala ka sa gusto mong mangyari, at i-surrender mo lahat. For clarifying for love situation. For clarifying for a love situation, represent with inner compass. No, trust your instinct to lead you the right directions. No, magtiwala ka sa kung saan ka dadali ng bago direction mo. Magtiwala ka sa pangamba mo, sa nararamdaman mo, sa nakikita mo. No, dadaling ka niya sa mas magandang ang kahihinatnan sa buhay mo. No, kung nagkaroon ka na ng instinct, vibration, intuition, makinig ka. No, pag hindi ka nakinig dyan, nako, hindi magiging maganda ang kalalabasan yan. And there's a clarifying for a life situation. Dapat nakinig ka sa gut feeling mo na yon. What is the clarifying? Represent with an ocean possibilities. Now, navigate through the boundaries of ocean of possibilities where horizon whisper of an untold opportunities and plenty paths. So, see, talagang binabahagi sa dito na lahat ng posibilidad at lahat ng bagay na mangyayari dito ay pinagkakaloob na sa'yo at makikita mo to ng sa tahimik na paraan, sa tahimik na kalagayan. No, doon mo mapagtatagpi lahat-lahat. What is part of the life? And there is something protections. I am divinely protected, surrounded by the light and love all times. I trust in the protections of the universe, knowing that I am safe, secure, and guided. No harm can come to me, for I walk in the light of the divine protections, no? Protection at pinapangalaga ka ng ating Spirit, no? Kaya siguro may mga bagay na nangyayari sa iyo. It's a God will, no? Ililalayo ka, pinoproteksyonan ka ng ating gabay sa mas mga bagay na posibilidad na mangyari hindi makakatulong sa iyo. No? So guys, let's see what is a pick a card, yes or no. So let's watch this. Let's see what is a yes or no. Pick a card. Let's start with the number 1. Kasi hindi nakapili na number 1, ito na yon. Okay. So there is something a yes. Neatly tied up, secure, trustworthy connection. So see, no, ibig sabihin dito, no, napakahigpit at napakahigpit ang pagkakabigkis na pagkakatali nito. Huwag ka mag-alala, no? Yung connection nyo ay maaaring konektado sa ating gabay. And there's a number 2, there's a yes. Sunny outlook, blossom, open to divine inspiration. So, ibig sabihin nito, naaaring sisibol ng panibagong eksena at magbubuko sa mas panibagong pangyayari sa buhay mo kung saan ka lalago. No? Number 3, and there's a yes. No, there's a yes and there's a yes. No, double confirmation with a yes. So, spiraling up, rising tide coming out of the shell. Uplift your spirit. See? Easy to do light work. Ibig sabihin, isa lang ang sinasabi nila. No? Kailangan mong kumawala sa comfort zone mo. Kailangan may gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. No? Gusto mo yung mga pangyayari na to. Kailangan nasa puso. No? Para magtagumpay ka sa gusto mong mangyari. So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of June 19 hanggang June 24 for the sign of Aquarius. Aquarius, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading namang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo nang skip ng adsaway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat pa sa next video. Bye-bye and babush!